Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your wish list on AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the left side, which you can click on and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to share your wish list, then hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Wishlist. You will now be taken into your wish list page, within which, by default, you will be taken into the All Items page. Now, you cannot share all of the items that are within your wish list, but you can create a list and then share the list manually. Click on My Lists at the left side and now click on Create Your List. You can then enter your list name and then choose whether you want to set this as private. But if you wish to share this, then make sure not to turn on this toggle and leave it as it is. Now click on the Yes button and then choose the items that you wish to add onto this list that you want to share. After choosing the items, click on the Add to List button. And now you will be able to find your list, which you can open up and view all of the items within. Now in order to share this, simply tap on the Share button at the top right corner and this will copy your link for your wish list on your clipboard. Now you can simply share this link with anyone with whom you wish to share your wish list. And when they visit this link, they will be able to view your list right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to share your wish list on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.